Oh, Justin, mi amor. I know we just met, but I feel like we are soulmates. You want me to stay here in Paris with you? But my flight takes off in 5 minutes. And you know I have to see my dying aunt who would never allow this to happen. Maybe we'll meet in another life. What's that? One more kiss? All right.
Penelope, what are you doing?
Dad, what are you doing? Get out. I'm making a movie.
You're making a movie? Oh, God, no. I failed as a parent. My daughter feels like she has to make movies like this.
Dad, get out. You're embarrassing me.
You're embarrassing me. You're embarrassing the whole family with what you're doing here with this picture. All right, that's it. I am not going to allow you to make these kinds of movies. All right, you're going to boarding school.